Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. Today I have for you this wonderful look. This is a bob style look that's ombre colored with the pink on one side and black on the other side. I love, love, love it. This is an install and review. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Kharyzma for You Style and give this video a like if this is the type of stuff that you like, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Let's get into this video. Okay, so this is the hair that I'll be reviewing today. It's Sassy, and it says Sassy HMH Milio, and it says half moon part, 6+ semi-circle deepest hand tied. So they're talking about the part. Now please keep in mind, I purchased this a while ago and I'm finally getting to do the review for you guys and the install. So hopefully it's still available. If it's not, I will definitely try to link something that's similar. So yeah, this is it, and it's in the color SOM RT HH Pink. That's what I loved about it, because it's like an asymmetrical bob, so one side is shorter than the other. It's like really, really stylish. I love it, so cannot wait to try it on. So here's the packaging. Again, I bought it a while ago, so I probably took it out already, and then I stored it, and then I'm finally getting to try it on for you guys. So I still have the net over it, and some of the stuffing that was inside. So this is a synthetic wig, is no lace. So this is not a lace wig. It just has the semi moon part here, like that it spoke about, that I just told you about, and 2 clips in the front. It's just that the part is to the side, so it was kind of weird. So there's 1 clip here, if you can see it, and another clip here, and then there's one all the way in the back, and this is what it's looking like. So one side is black, as you can see, and then the other side is like this nice pink. So this is a really edgy wig. This is for those of you who are not afraid to take risks, not afraid to experiment with different colors. I'm definitely that one. Like sometimes I can look really, you know, polished and have a classic look, but then there's that other side of me that just likes to do to put on bright colors and eclectic things. That's the artist and creative side of me, so I can't wait to try this on. So I already have my wig cap on, and I don't believe any of my hairline will be showing, so I just brushed my hairline back, and let me just make sure this is like the hair is not caught up in the combs. It also has an adjustable strap in the back. It has 2 adjustable straps, so you can adjust it. There's one here and one here, and then that comb in the back, you can adjust it to your head size, which I'm about to do right now. this is the finished look and I love it. It's exactly what it looks like on the picture. Look at that. I totally love it. I love it. I love the color. I love the cut. I love the style. It's so me with one side black, one side pink. I was just putting some of my edge control on by Creme of Nature Perfect Edges because a little tiny bit of your edges will show. So you just want to kind of blend it in to give it a nice, clean, sleek look. Not too much. And you see the part is right here. You don't really have to do much. This is beginner friendly. As you can see, I just added a little bit of the edge control. You can use wax if you have wax sticks or like a heavier pomade just to kind of hold this part in place so that it's not constantly falling over since it's a bob. And yeah, and then you just saw me like kind of combing it out because it's layered. Some of the layers are shorter on the top, and then it just has that little ringlet of it. This is so cute. Like when you comb it out, then you just have that one side just to the side, and I love it, guys. I love it. Let me give you a 360. I love it. If you love this video and want to see more videos like this, definitely hit the like button and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.